Well, here we are in northern Michigan. Not a very pretty day at all. You have seen some of my videos about sand battery and solar. This is the next event that's going on. This array, top line is Canadian Solar, bottom line is Solar World. There are 240 watt and 250 watt panels. Okay, I'll probably cut a little bit of this out. The structure, nothing is hooked up yet. As you see, wires hanging everywhere. We'll be working on that in the coming days. Alright, we're on the back side of the panels. These are bifacial, by the way. More wires. The structure work is from Mid-America Solar. The guy did me okay, I think. You know, it's hard to get these damn things and hard to get people to put them up for you. I hired a couple of young kids to help me. They were able to help with assembling the steel structure and mounting the panels for me. I am a homeowner and I am doing the electrical. Okay? Here's an electrical device that I'll share with you. You know, trying to buy anything that has a DC rating is getting tougher and tougher all the time. Okay, I don't know if this is going to come out, probably not. But anyway, this box, it's a 60 amp box. It is 600 volt AC and DC. It's square D. It has a rain tight configuration. The DC volts, it doesn't give a phase. Of course, it's DC is two phase. It does say it'll handle a 30 horse motor. So it's up around 20,000 watts, I'm going to guess. You can buy these things on eBay. They're hard to find on the other one because they don't like to handle used equipment. But that's used equipment, and that's still a good piece of electrical hardware. 50 bucks. You try to buy a new one, it's several hundred. Okay, so again, Solar World and Canadian Solar. Okay, bought used out of Florida. Go Greenman. They treated me well. Oh, by the way, this is a 5,000 watt array. So when we get all done, this should produce, because 10 of the panels are smaller, should produce somewhere around 4,900 watts peak. Except the panels are 10 years old, so there is some degradation to it. Don't know. I'm planning on running them for 15 more. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.